Welcome back. Congress Goa desk in charge Digvijay Singh has urged the committee appointed by the Supreme Court on mining to introspect why the iron ore is auctioned at cheaper prices when the market prices are high. Singh said that Parrikar's assurance to start mining by May is nothing but a hanging carrot before Lok Sabha polls. Speaking on special status, he said Congress can consider supporting the move.
The Chief Minister has promised that he will allow the mining to start from May. I am intrigued by his statement. Why May? Why not March? May, because by then the elections will be over. So he has hung a carrot before the electorate that he will start the mining after May. But he forgets that the people of Goa are not so ignorant of the fact. The first tendering is already over, but I am surprised that the bid price is only about 1700 odd rupees per ton, when the market price is roughly at $80 a ton. The committee appointed by the Honorable Supreme Court should do some introspection and find the reason why the iron ore price is so low. If it is only to maintain the cultural heritage and land development, yes. I think as far as that is concerned, if there is no tax concessions involved, then I think there is the Congress party strongly believes that we have to protect the ecology, the environment and the heritage of Goa.
Those who have Portuguese passport are deemed to be Portuguese citizens. Professor Dr. Dairo Moura Vicente from Lisbon University confirmed that without acquiring or applying for Portuguese citizenship, no one is eligible for Portuguese passport. He was speaking at a book release function in the Selangor College of Law. Retired Justice A.P. Lawande criticized Union government for hesitating to implement Uniform Civil Code in India. Lisbon University professor Dr. Dairo Moura Vicente said only Portuguese citizens are eligible for Portuguese passport. After getting Portuguese passport, they become Portuguese nationals. While making this clear, professor said Portuguese government allows dual citizenship.
Under Portuguese nationality law, it is possible to have dual citizenship. I am not acquainted with Indian law on that subject, but it would appear that under Indian law it is also possible to have dual citizenship, although some public functions cannot be exercised by people who have foreign nationalities. But that is a problem of Indian law, not of Portuguese law, so I would rather not take a position on that.
Those people who have Portuguese passport can be termed as a Portuguese national?
Yes, in principle, in order to obtain a Portuguese passport, you have to have Portuguese nationality. So the first thing that the Portuguese authority has to inquire when it receives an application for a Portuguese passport is whether or not this person is, under our law on nationality, entitled to Portuguese nationality.
Family and Succession Law in Portuguese Civil Code of 1867 book was released by retired Justice A.P. Lawande at the Selangor College of Law in Miramar. Retired Justice A.P. Lawande praised Goa for having uniform civil code. He lashed out at central government for not implementing uniform civil code in the country.
Goa is the only state in the entire India which has actually implemented Article 44 of the Constitution of India. In spite of repeated judgment by the Apex Court calling upon the central government to enact uniform code all over India for reasons which are quite obvious, no government in power had the guts to pass any law which would affect them politically.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent. The Supreme Court on Thursday restrained the Tamil Nadu government from releasing the 7 convicts in the Rajiv Gandhi assassination case. The apex court has directed the state government to maintain status quo. The court has said that there has been procedural lapses by the Tamil Nadu government in its decision to release 7 convicts. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.